Okay, let's take a look at problem 4 from lesson 5-7. It says causation. Causation is when a change in one quantity causes a change in the second quantity. A correlation between quantities does not always imply causation. Okay, so let's look at an example of this because it might not make sense. It says identify whether relationships are casual. In the following situation, is there likely to be a correlation? If so, does the correlation reflect a casual relationship? Explain. So let's look at problem A. It says the number of loaves of bread. Okay, I'm sorry about that. It says the number of loaves of bread baked and the amount of flour used. So it says there is a positive correlation and also a casual relationship. As the number of loaves of bread baked increases, the amount of flour used increases also. So you know the more bread you bake, the more flour you're going to have to use. So that means that this is a positive correlation and it is a casual relationship. All right, for B, it says the number of mailboxes and the number of firefighters in the city. So this one's tricky. It says there's likely to be a positive correlation because both the number of mailboxes and the number of firefighters tend to increase as the population of a city increases. However, you can't just go around installing mailboxes and then expect the number of firefighters to increase also. So if you just have like 10 mailboxes in your front yard, doesn't mean that they're going to increase the number of firefighters. So this is not a casual relationship. Let's look at got it number 4. It says in the following situations is there a correlation? If so, does the correlation reflect a casual relationship? Explain. It says the cost of a family vacation and the size of their house. Okay, I'm going to have to say that So the cost of a family vacation and the size of their house. So there's no causal relationship because a family can go on a small vacation or they can go on a large vacation. Just because they have a really large house doesn't mean that they're going on a big vacation. Just because they have a really large house doesn't mean that they have a really big family. Or because they have a small house doesn't mean that they have a small family. It could be opposite. So there is not a correlation, nor is there a causal relationship. B, the time spent exercising and the number of calories burned. Now this, I know, is a positive correlation. Okay, so the more time you spend exercising, the more calories you're going to burn. Is this a casual relationship? Yes. If you're exercising, then you're going to, it automatically relates to the number of calories burned. So I hope that this helps.